Which one y'all want, bro? Which one? We damn sure not gonna get the gushers. Like the gushers, I don't know, bro. I don't know about the gushers. Look, they be playing with the gushers. Make sure that you smell good, bro. You know what I'm saying? You always want to smell good no matter where you going. Like I'm going just to the grocery store, but that don't mean I'm gonna just hop out my bed and just smell a breath smell like anything. No, nigga. You leave the house, nigga. You brush your teeth, you wash your face, you take your bath. Yo, what's good? Yo, I ain't talk to you like. Hold up, why you shaking? Today is another get ready with me. Basically, we do the same thing every morning. I don't know why y'all acting like, think about it. You just wake up every day and do different things every day. No, bro, we doing the same thing, bro. We brushing our teeth, we washing our face, nigga. Don't act stupid. Don't act retarded now.
Space. Shoot up your little sister, baby. Her big brother shouldn't have been shot. The Gucci jacket kind of price. Go out of line and chop correct. You need a bag on UPS. Turkey bags without a dress. Feel like you just changing, nigga. You turning lame as fuck. How you gon' change on me? You turning lame on me. You not the same, homie. I put you switches together. She said she love me forever.
I don't know why I put this thing back on. Y'all know I gotta oil my scalp. Y'all, hey, look, man. My hair gotta start getting used to getting treated right. You know what I'm saying? My hair ain't used to getting treated right. I'm about to oil up my scalp, right? And I'm gonna start encouraging young men, bro, to oil up your scalp, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying like niggas with dreads, bro. Dreads. Dudes, period, too, bro. Dudes, period, like oil up your skin as well. You know what I'm saying? Not oil it, like put all that oil, like, bro. Just put some type of, y'all skin be looking like crocodiles and shit. Look like they could get them, create bonfires and shit off that shit. Don't no woman want to rub against your skin and got down, your skin start falling off and shit. Alright, so peep, right? So, next thing you want to do is, well, next thing I do, you can do whatever you want to do. But next thing I do is I put oil, I put Vaseline. I put Vaseline on my lips, bro. You feel me? Same thing with the skin, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I prefer my baby oil, my nigga. My grandma used it on me, bro. Hey, look, I'm just a level 1. You know, I'm not no level 20,000. I don't know what you thought. I'm just a level 1 when it comes to this health and stuff like that. I gotta understand, bro. My body might look good, but just cause your body look good, that don't mean you healthy. It just mean you built different. Like a lot of people be like, yo, like, what's your workout routine? What's your workout routine? Like, what do you eat? What do you eat? I could a lot of y'all and say I eat veggies. Knowing I don't eat no veggies. I eat fruit, but not like that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I be promoting y'all to take care of y'all body. I'm currently starting to take care of my body. So I'm actually doing what I'm telling y'all. Feel me? Let's go grocery shopping, bro.
Hey, yo, Pluto, you going crazy?
Hey, man. Yeah, please stop. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all niggas is, bro, make sure that you smell good, bro. You know what I'm saying? You always want to smell good no matter where you going. Like I'm going just to the grocery store, but that don't mean I'm gonna just hop out my bed and just smell a breath smell like anything. No, nigga. You leave the house, nigga, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you take your bath, my nigga. Alright, so make sure you're straight, bruh. Be like, oh, I'm going to school for a short day. Bitch, your ass better take a short shower, my nigga. You better get your ass in the shower and do something.
Niggas ain't fucking with me. Yeah. Niggas ain't fucking with me. I like my money real neat. Just like I like all my freaks. You said you fucking with me. Came with no backseat, and I ain't drove it in weeks. Y'all play football in the grass. We play football in the streets.
Bro, see, this is why I can't come out and spend my money, bro. Cause, bro, I get to looking, bro. I be like, damn, which one y'all want, bro? Which one? We damn sure not gonna get the gushers. Like the gushers, I don't know, bro. I don't know about the gushers. Look, they be playing with the gushers, bro. I like the fruit snacks, my nigga. They don't be playing with the fruit snacks, bro. Ooh, the dino sharks. I ain't never had these bitches before. No cap. I might have to get them. I might have to get them. Fruit snacks or the dino. I think I'm going with the dino. Let's go. What else we want? Damn, what else we want, y'all? What are we in here for, nigga? See, that be the problem right there. I go in the stores and I have an objective, and shit just started like, shit just started to look good, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's tough. Do y'all know if like they have deodorant and shit in here? Cause if they do, like, because I need some clear deodorant. You feel me? I don't need no bullshit. I came in here for some oranges, bro. I came in here for some oranges. So here they go right here. Look, we been passing. As soon as we walked in, our eyes was never on the prize. Oranges. Come on. Yeah, so back on the subject on what we was talking about while I look at these delicious honey buns. Back on the subject what we was talking about, bro. Everybody just need to, yo, just stay beautiful, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because in reality, you don't have any flaws. In your spectrum, you don't have any flaws. You feel me? It's just the way the world is. We think we have flaws and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see if they got some deodorant though. But don't call me crazy for looking for deodorant in the fucking in the grocery store, my nigga. I don't need to be in this aisle. This the wrong aisle. I'm seeing too much candy. Count, nigga. Every breakfast. I'm not just gonna eat that shit up. I ain't even gonna make this shit a breakfast no more. I'm just gonna eat that shit up. I might say fuck that. We got it. Alright, bro. Finally, we're off to the counter. I had my mask down this whole time. Fuck these folks. I like my money with me. Because I got my free.
There you go. Have a good one. There you go.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. Motherfucker, go shot that motherfucker, go shot. Oh shit, oh shit. Let me stop. Let me stop playing, bro. I'm already black. Damn, where'd my camera go? Hey, bro. Hold up, make sure everything in my pocket goddamn full and shit. Make sure everything good. Y'all ain't never did this shit when y'all was young. Damn, they fucking up the fun. Old ass. Y'all already had y'all fun. I feel like Instagram got everybody like comparing themselves to people. You feel me? And that's where people fuck up in life, is that they try to rush things. We don't rush things in life, bro. Don't rush things. You know what I'm saying? If you got a goal, just know that it's gonna take hard work and it's gonna take patience for you to get to that goal. That shit's just not gonna come easy. And if it do come easy, then that means you don't want it. Males or females, right? Mostly males watch my channel, so we just gonna say males, right? So look, alright, so look, right? If you had a choice between, hold on, I gotta start the car, bitch. It getting hot. Hey, look, y'all know, but y'all know I'm already got, you know, but toasty, a little toasty, you know. So you had a choice between a female that been with a lot of dudes or a female that haven't been with a lot of dudes. Which one you gonna choose? Exactly. So you want the one obtainable, but at the same time it's not easy. That's what type of shit you want. That's the type of situation you want. And that's the only scenario, nigga. If you got a better scenario, bro, just go down below. It's hot as hell. It is hot as hell. It is hot as shit. It is hot. I need y'all to go in the comment section down below, you know what I'm saying, comment, support the video. Also, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. And also, make sure you follow all my social media down below. They will be in the link in the description, so make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.